Sdang ka Lympung Cricket ka CRCA ha Umsning. Ka Lympung nila kay cricket ka baningkong haribhoy jong ka Central Ribhoy Cricket Association CRCA kabala ay kerteng ka First Central Ribhoy Cricket League dus ball klayo ban Sdang mantakas ni da ka jeng kun ka baningkong hapadeng ka Best of the Best Umiam Cricket Club Crca ay ka Benris Cricket Club kabala long hamada nila kay Umsning Sports and Cultural Playground Umsning. Yakate ka Lympung lawan ban preda u President ka Meghalaya Cricket Association u James PK Sangma kum ukongsan hakajinga don lang u President ka RBYF u ba people thank you kum usembut kongsan chantanya awas TIAS SDO ka pathar kama lembat kinong yalam ka CRCA u ba don ku par sumer President ba Rocky Marwen Vice President lembat kiwe ki riurang ba kathan haba phasha ketika jinga le kai ka Best of the Best Umiam Cricket Club kala job ya ka jing kenting pisah bat ka jiat ban ball ningkong bat island ya ka Benris Cricket Club ban tiat ningkong bat kayo ban kamai shispa arpu praran haki arpo over bat du no ahap kendai wickets bat ka Umiam ka hab ban tiat shispa arpu kendairan ban yo ya ka nam job haba be apat ikate ka shispa arpu kendairan bala bu target da ka Benris Cricket Club ka Best of the Best Umiam Cricket Club kala la ban be ya kate karan tang hapo khatsan over saw ball kalayo ban tiat adu shispa lai pulairan bat du tang saw wickets bat kala pen Liem sindon ya ka Benris CC da henrio wickets hakati ka juk kasni u President ka MCA u James PK Sangma lembat kinong ilam ka association kila let ban jurup ya ka jaka jong ka Central Ribhoy Cricket Association ka badan ha ka shnong nong thamai Umsning ka bala ais ngo bha da ka shnong nong thamai Umsning na ka banta bante ya ka madan yele kai ka bakham paka.
Thank you very much, sir, for gracing us this morning with your presence. It is indeed an honor to have you in our midst this morning.
Thank you.
On behalf of the Central Ribhoy Cricket Association, I extend a warm welcome to all of you to the grand opening of the first Central Ribhoy Cricket League 2026. Sir, cricket has always been a passion for the youth of Ribhoy for many years. Our players have been actively playing tennis ball cricket in villages and local grounds. Tennis ball cricket has played a very important role in building interest and love for the game among our players. Therefore, today, we are not here to condemn tennis ball cricket, but to take a step forward in the development of cricket in our district. Sir, for information, a group of our former players from Ribhoy who have played cricket in the past came together with a vision. We realize that if our young players are to compete at higher levels, they must be given exposure to the real format of the game. That is why we decided to introduce deuce ball cricket in Ribhoy. Today, with the launch of this league, we are beginning a new chapter in the cricketing history of our district. This is the first deuce ball cricket tournament in Ribhoy, and we are truly encouraged to see that within a very short span of time, 24, for information sir, 24 clubs have come forward to participate. This shows the tremendous enthusiasm, talent, passion for the cricket that exists among a youth. Cricket in India has grown into a global powerhouse because of the vision of the leadership of the BCCI in India. Through strong grassroots developments, proper infrastructure, and opportunities for young players, the BCCI has transformed cricket in our country and brought countless talents from small towns and rural areas to the national and international stage.
Congratulate them that despite this very, very short time after their formation, they have been able to really come together and work together and organize this cricket league tournament. This is not a small task. It is a very challenging task, and it really goes to show the kind of leadership and the kind of passion and dedication that the members of the Central Riboy Cricket Association have. So I would like to, on behalf of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, thank them from the bottom of my heart for this lovely initiative that they are taking, for the kind of contribution that they are making to cricket in our state, not just in Central Riboy, but for the entire state, and for the opportunity that they are giving to all the cricketers, the amount of talent that is available in this district, to all those players. So a very big thank you to Badon Sumer, to Baroki, and to all the members of Central Riboy Cricket League. As was mentioned by Badon, the president of the association, that this is part of a grassroots initiative, and I cannot really say more than what he has already mentioned. Grassroots cricket is an integral and extremely important part of how cricket comes up in any state. It is actually the very foundation based on which cricket will slowly emerge and develop. I am quite surprised today that despite the amount of the teams that are participating in this league today, 24 as we were already told, that such kind of grassroots initiatives was lacking in Riboy district. I'm quite surprised. But it is a pleasant surprise for me, because today, after this league tournament has been organized, we have seen that all these teams have been able to take this opportunity and participate in this league. So better late than never, and it is a very good initiative. I wish Central Riboy Cricket Association all the very best in this tournament. I wish all the participating teams, the clubs, all of them, all the very best. May the best team win, but at the end of the day, may cricket win. That is from the deepest corners of my heart, my best wishes to all of you, to the entire Central Riboy district, and to all the players and the participating leagues. Once again, I will not take much time. This is a wonderful opportunity for me to also extend my support to the Central Riboy Cricket Association. We as MCA, it is always our endeavor to give any kind of support, whether they are affiliated or not. It is our bounden duty to support cricket at the grassroots level and to help cricket grow and to help our players find an opportunity to not just develop and bring up cricket in their own respective districts, but also to one day, as was mentioned by Bardon, to wear the blue jersey of our great nation. So therefore, So if there's a big tournament, if there's many people coming also, it can become one day.
There's no foreign competition. It's not potential. It's far away from the infrastructure.
And even if it's raining heavily in Shillong, here it's much better.
Much better. From highway to here, so 2 kilometers. Only 2 kilometers from highway. Nah, how much now?
More or less 2 kilometers.
From this side is very near.
Very near.
We'll go with this way, so
Yeah.
exit from this way. Next year we'll have.
Even the road also from the Dorba, they can change the alignment.